Oh yeah, right now, Touch Up TV, we here. Everybody here, the whole elegant song, Father Rhodes, Kerry the drummer, Justin right here, DustTillDawn.net. Listen, and people, look at this. Tallpree actually going and take a shot at the killer.
Man, that was a good thing, what do you mean?
What you mean? Only watch that.
All the spices
Watch that. That's straight from Grenada.
All the spices in there. Show you have the crepe warm inside there.
You don't know.
Ever warm somewhere?
Yeah man, they have a woman inside there.
Anybody, any woman try anything with you.
You don't know, they fuck.
You just bring it up. That's what the thing set up. Easy man. Cool man. Easy. Easy man.
Can they slip?
You know they're dead. They're taking the Red Bull.
Why you drinking some Red Bull? Why you drinking out Red Bull? Emotion.
Why you think woman forget?
Emotion.
Yo, that's what the thing is. We doing a swagger pot and a swagger drink. And listen, that's what they are. Tallpree there, we set it off official.
If you want that drink, come by the DJ booth.
Come by the DJ booth.
Daggering portion. Daggering portion, super sick. We did that job thing that.
A job thing.
Job portion.
Where the girl them one? Job.
I feel it.
I play it. Good Lord of mercy.
People are going to say, man.
Well, this is what we're getting started with for the Labor Day weekend. Yeah, we started it from Tuesday. And we get it ready only for Thursday. So imagine the rest of the week. Tell them, what going on for the rest of the week?
Tomorrow we're in Soca Village.
We're in Soca Village.
The Dollarama.
Yeah. All roads is very heavy in the streets, you know what I'm saying? You gotta big up Super Roy, big up to Leon, Lapu. You understand what I'm saying? Still in silver. Elegance Crew and Big Truck Alliance. We invading the whole of the village tomorrow, Soca Village. And also we represent the Soca Village for you and for me. All who like Soca and all who like to come out and enjoy the Carnival Festival for the Carnival weekend. And it's Labor Day weekend, Wednesday night. We ain't got nothing to do. Only $1 before 12 o'clock. And make sure you have a flag. Make sure you have a flag, right, Super Six?
Yeah, you have to have a flag.
You must have a flag.
Have a flag.
Where your flag?
If you don't have a flag, you could be paying a little kind of big price. You understand me?
A big small price.
It kind of small, but the big.
It's bigger than $1.
Because you ain't respect where you come from. You don't worry to know you're from St. Vincent. You don't worry to know you're from Haiti. You don't worry to know you're from Trinidad or Grenada, right?
You don't know.
The funny thing is, the most you're going to pay is what, $2? Because the flag is like $1.
Right. You understand?
So come on.
Come on.
What more you want?
You know what?
You're supposed to do that.
So how the rum go, Mr. Tallpree?
Once we have the spices, and it seems to be there for a while too.
Yeah, it is settled.
Everything's soaked.
Everything's settled.
Can't go wrong, man. I mean, real thing. Rivers. It's natural blue. What happened to them?
Your mother what? So people, that's what it is. We're checking back with Kerry right here now. Potatoes, everything looking sweet. Bam. Dumpling, started dumpling. Let me people see the dumpling, what it's looking like. That's what the dumpling looking like. People, only see the pot of saltfish. We're done here. Look at the peas. Father Rhodes, then double up the peas. Yo, say something. Tell the people something.
What up, Facebook? Yo, we getting ready for Smaga. This week, 2 boat rides. I'm going to do 2 boat rides this week. That's Thursday, September the 3rd. Shaw Princess Pier 8, Brooklyn. 2 boat rides. Tallpree, Brother B, General Grant. Madness. And a shout out to the whole wonderful family. Big Truck Alliance definitely going to be on the boat. We got hosted by Steve Bashman, Shortman Movements. Who else? SNL Boys in the building also. We got Kerry doing the thing on the drums. We got Star Kid, Natural Freaks are back for encore again. And we got the Fresh Kid from 104, so you know. Mad. 2 boats.
2 boats, people, that's what it is. So listen, Tallpree, you're endorsing the thing right now. 2 boats, Swagger Thursday, this Thursday, Labor Day Thursday.
This is the maddest Thursdays of all Thursdays. It's the Thursday before Labor Day. Swagger Thursday. Who there again? Tallpree alongside Brother B, General, you don't know the grand. Who again? The whole of the DJs, not mad, it's sell out.
Mad.
Kerry the drummer, We live on the boat one day and yo, I'm playing with them. When the rhythm slow down by the DJ, yo, play with the drum and have it swinging.
Mad.
One to them.
You're mad though.
Show me innocent people.
Coconut milk, that's what it is. Coconut milk. Real coconut. Spirarosa, blend up the peppers right now.
Pimento peppers here right now.
Pimento.
You have to watch your work, you know.
That's what it is right now. That's what it is right
We
now.
ain't cooking now. We cooking a long time.
No camera.
Since we 7 years, we cooking food. You understand me?
He could jump and cook too.
I want him even more, right?
You know?
Understand? And we here in the shadows still. Kerry, so what you have to say about that? For all the women who say, and you're losing my knife to open my can again. Look at this. The man using a knife to open a can. Oh, let's see what's going on. Watch. Yo, oh, boy. Watch. And he poured 2 holes. Only watch. Pour a knife of mine. That's what it is. Alright, people, we gone right now. We out. We gonna be back soon with this.